Fusion food is everywhere. It's about mixing things up, taking two kinds of food and making something new. It's like magic in the kitchen. You get to be creative and try new flavors. Are you ready for some fusion fun? Summertime means BBQ, but sometimes you crave Chinese takeout. Noodles, dumplings, that savory sauce, yum. Choosing can be hard. Do you go for burgers and hot dogs, or do you order in some Chinese favorites? Stop, don't choose. Let's mix BBQ and Chinese takeout. We can have the best of both worlds. Imagine juicy BBQ chicken with a Chinese twist. Add some colorful veggies and maybe even some ribs on the side. Are you hungry yet? First, we need chicken. Chicken wings, drumsticks, or thighs. It's your choice. Now let's make a marinade. Grab some soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Mix it all up and pour it over the chicken. Let it soak up all those delicious flavors. Section 5. Ribs for everyone. Next, let's prep some ribs. Baby back ribs are perfect for this recipe. We need a simple rub for these beauties. Salt, pepper, paprika, and a touch of brown sugar. That's all you need. Rub it all over the ribs. Section 6. Veggie power. We can't forget the veggies. Let's add some color and crunch to our fusion feast. Broccoli, peppers, onions, mushrooms, whatever you like. Chop them up into bite-sized pieces. We'll stir-fry them later for maximum flavor. Section 7. Grilling time. Fire up that grill. It's time for some BBQ action. Place the chicken and ribs on the hot grill. Listen to that sizzle. The smell is amazing. While the chicken and ribs are grilling, let's get those veggies going. Section 8. Taste explosion. Heat up some oil in a wok or large pan. Toss in those colorful veggies and stir-fry until they're tender crisp. Now, take the chicken and ribs off the grill. Let's eat. Take a bite of that juicy chicken. Taste the soy sauce, garlic, and ginger. Section 9. Fusion success. Our BBQ and Chinese takeout fusion is a hit. The chicken is bursting with flavor. The ribs are fall off the bone tender. And those colorful veggies add the perfect crunch. It's a flavor explosion in your mouth. Section 10. Your turn to cook. What are you waiting for? Try this recipe. It's easy and so delicious. Mix and match your favorite BBQ and Chinese flavors. Share your fusion creations with friends and family. Happy cooking!
Forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious recipes coming your way.